Welcome to Veggie Me! In today's video, we will be making no-bake pineapple fruitcakes. This dish is on Veggie Me's difficulty scale. 1 to 10, it is 5. First, you go ahead and slice your pineapples. Cut off your tops and your bottoms and cut off their skins too. Later, we will shape it. Cleaning the pineapples off the skin. Now we are going to clean out the eyes of our pineapple just to make sure you have nothing going to cut your tongue when you eat them. Hey Mr. Pineapple, we're making sure you're all nice and clean to eat. Now we are just cleaning up the eyes of our pineapples. We do it this way so we can have more pineapples to eat in our cake instead of just eating one piece and you are done. And if you are lazy and don't want to keep watching this, pineapple cutting off the eyes, well, just go ahead and click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon too. And hit that like button to show that you like this fruitcake. And if you want to wonder what is the rest of the ingredients in this fruitcake, here is it. 2 large pears, about this size, should be great for you, and some blueberries for garnish. We're now just finishing up cleaning up the eyes of the pineapples. As you can see right now, we're just trying to be really fast here so that you don't have to wait too long. And also because of the clock. Can I have some fruitcake too? Clean up. Now we're going to slice the butt of the pineapple. We have finished cleaning up the pineapples. Now you can see, now we're going to slice our pineapples into the cake shapes. You're going to make it a 3-tier cake. It's going to be the center. Now, the rest are all going to be for the sides. The pears we're going to use to put on the sides of the cake. And the blueberries are just going to put some on top of the cake, some on the sides. We're going to make it look like that. And if you already are watching at the end of this video, if you skipped this part, you shouldn't have skipped it. Because this part tells you how you're going to cut the pineapple. Now we have to clean out the counter. Now if you're wondering about how you're going to slice our pineapples, here's how we're going to do it. First, slice the bottom piece. The bottom piece is going to be our biggest piece. It's going to be the first layer of our cake. Of course, that is too thick because we're only having, the members of the crew are 3. So we are going to have to slice them into thinner pieces. So about half of this piece should be good. We're going to slice it a little bit thinner. And then slice for the top piece, we're going to get it a little thinner. You can use this whole piece. That should be just nice. But, well, I think maybe we will have to slice it a little bit thinner. That's how we're going to do it. So just slice it into 4 pieces. That way it will be much thinner. Okay, so our pineapple, this is how we do it. This is our first, second, and third tier. So the first tier, now if you look closely, only you can really see the difference of the tiers. So the first tier, you can see it's much, if you look closely at the camera, I'm going to move the camera just for you guys. You can see the first tier is much bigger, as you can see. Sorry, our camera slipped. So over here, it's much thicker, bigger. And for the second tier, we're going to use this one. The second tier, you can make it like however style you want. So we made it this style. So this style, we made it at the top. We're gonna make it like we can make it like a hat shaped thing here. So that's how we decided to make it for the show today. So, but if you want it like how people make the watermelon cake, because this is the pineapple cake, if you want to follow watermelon cake style, you can do it too. For this second tier, you just you can cut out to whatever kind of shape you want. If you're lazy people who don't want to cut into a nice circle like me, then you can just cut into a square shape. Then on the sides there, you can put some blueberries. So you're going to see how we're going to do it later. And for the top, what are you going to do with those leftover trimmings? Of course, you can make this for this hat. That's what I'm going to call it, the hat cake. Should that be the title? And if you are happening to see that avocado over there and you are like, hey Joel, why is that avocado? 2 avocados over there. Are you going to put that in your fruitcake? You are going to be weird. Well, I'm kind of weird though. But that's not going to end up in our fruitcake. That is for our bread. Avocado toast, my favorite. Over here, we're currently doing our pears. Now, I'm going to show you how you're going to cut your pears. Not the regular peary way that you used to cut. Much different way. You will see here on VeggieMe. But before seeing that, don't forget to subscribe, click that bell notification, and hit the like button. Yes, do that. By the way, I forgot to tell you my secret, but I'm on the way to 1,000 subscribers. Cleaning our pears. Okay, now we are going to cut our pears the weirdest way you have never ever seen in your entire life. Maybe? Okay, Chef Kieran's going to show you how you're going to cut your pears. So first, you're going to clean up those middles. Who wants to eat the seeds? Plant them in the garbage. Clean up anything that you see is bad. Now, I taught her how to cut this one. Now, this is my way. Cut this into half, the regular pieces, cut this into half, then you cut them into cubes. So simple. And if you wonder how we're going to decorate this, stay tuned. Slicing our pears. If you still think this is too hard for you guys to follow, just cut it like how you cut your avocado or your tomato when you are making guacamole. Same. If you wonder how Mr. Pineapple is doing, he's doing fine. Hopefully he has no insect bites yet. He's too tall to fit underneath that blue stuff that we have there because that's just to protect us from those insects. He's way too tall. I wish you were much, much, much shorter. Then I can film a video without worrying about you. Oh, just in case you were interested, we bought those from Malaysia because I'm originally from Malaysia. So, I'm Chinese, but my parents were from Malaysia, so we got it on my trip to Malaysia. I think you can get that on the internet too. Just try to find something like that. I'm not even sure what are those called. Showing you guys how to do it again. There we go. Slice it into half. And then we chop them into smaller pieces. So if you want to slice one into half, just slice those regular pieces into half. And then chop them to cubes. Or then maybe next time I'll make a video on how to do it. Now we're decorating our fruit cake. Now, okay. We are putting it all around the island, which is the pineapple. So we're gonna just put it all around. Let's make it look nice. If you have, you can do whatever you want to put there. If you want to put apples, you can just put apples there and follow the same way that we cut them. If you want to put oranges, just cut them the same way how we did them. And you can put whatever kind of big fruit you can put there. Just as long as they can fit into your cake plate. Now it's berry time. You can put the berries wherever you want. You can put them on top of your pineapples, or you can even put some, you can just scatter them among your pears, however your liking is. You can make this cake for totally whatever occasion you want. You can make this for Christmas. If you're making it for Christmas, then you can probably put some red fruit like an apple in it. You can make this for Thanksgiving. It's okay if it rolls down actually. You can put maybe some, if you're making for Thanksgiving, you can put something yellow. Like in this case, a pineapple, even though it's not even Thanksgiving, it's like in February already. And if you're making it for someone's birthday, you can decorate it with their favorite color or their favorite fruits. But just always make sure that you have an island in the middle. Like a pineapple, or a watermelon, or a papaya even. We have a papaya. Maybe next time we should do a video on how to make it with the papaya. But just follow the same steps in this video and it will turn out great. Now everybody's going to be like, wow, I didn't know you know how to make such a nice fruitcake. Tell them, VeggieMe. If you want to make it even more creative, then you can put a candle on it. Just make sure it doesn't burn down the whole house. Okay, you can also make this cake for any occasion. You don't have to go and buy a cake. Just buy the ingredients. 2 jumbo-sized pears, a pineapple, papaya, watermelon, whatever you can have to make the middle, and some pears. That's it. It's 3 ingredients. How can you imagine how simple this is? Now, you can even make this for anniversary. Really. Just put something white and black on it. Okay. Well, in today's case, we're not making it for any special occasions. We're just making it for filming for you guys. Because my pineapple was ripe since Sunday. And if you're wondering what to do with that leftover berry juice, just pour it into your glass and everyone can have something to go along with your wonderful fruitcake. And I hope you are not bothered by those. We are just trying to plant some avocados. Hopefully they will grow. Well, we want to eat some. And we just noticed that we have an awful soft, almost rotten kiwi. So we just decided, let's just spoil that kiwi. We can put that into our fruitcake and make it a 4-ingredient fruitcake. Well, if you don't have kiwi, this is just for optional. If you have it, if you don't have it, if you have it, have a party. If you don't have it, you still can have the party. But this is just an extra ingredient for those kiwi lovers. Today seems like the cube day. So we're also gonna cut our kiwi into some cubes. So that we can just like scatter them among our, just put them in the holes that you have with your pears. That's what we're doing. Now our nice little fruit cake is all nicely decorated. We're gonna add the leftover berries a little later. As this video comes to a close, tell us what you want to see next time in the comments below. Just let us know. Something to do with fruit, like a fruit smoothie, fruit bowl, or fruit salad. What do you want to see next? Tell me in the comments below. So, well, it won't be a cooking video if you don't show your eating. So, right now I'm going to eat the cake. Should I? This is not my birthday yet. My birthday is in May. Can this last into May? This is good. And I didn't add a single thing or move. Or you were not looking. This is all original. We didn't make changes to it. And it's still itself so good. Okay, before I finish up all the pears. Blueberries are great. How about pineapples? My first pineapple is in a quadrillion years. This is good. This is good. Stop. It's just been a minute since we last saw you guys, and I've just finished dinner. So yeah, that was a really great dinner. I hope you try it out for yourself. It's gonna be great. You can try it for your birthday, for Christmas, for Thanksgiving, for anniversary, even for anything. You can try that for yourself, and I can tell you that's gonna be great. So I tell you, just try it for yourself. It's so simple. Only 4 ingredients. Just three the after one. We just added the 4th one. Some pineapples. If you got some pineapples, some blueberries, some pears, and some kiwis, you can just start together. You don't even need pineapples, actually. As I've said that earlier. You can have pineapples, papayas, watermelons, whatever you want to put, as long as you can put that in for the middle. That would be good enough for you guys. So I hope you try it out for yourself. You can also try very good smoothies in another video. I should link that in the description below, or just check it out on my homepage, Veggie Me. You can check that really easily. So, okay, as I leave this video, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell notification, hit the like button, and smash that like button. Mr. Koala says that we are on our way to 1,000 subs, and we are actually on our way. Thank you so much, and we will see you next time.